entering our third heat wave of the summer. Now, the other two that we had lasted 5 days each. This one will only last 3 at the most. So that starts tomorrow, except in Newark, as I mentioned earlier in our newscast, which already hit 90 today. You might have 4 days of 90 plus there. We're mostly dry until Wednesday, but then rain and thunderstorms will arrive later in the work week. So right now on satellite and radar, I told you mostly dry. You're not seeing anything showing up here. But a storm system is approaching from the northwest. It's in the Great Lakes region right now. It doesn't look very organized, and it's not right now. And it will slowly make its way toward us and then descend downward. The problem with this system is that it looks like it's going to kind of stall out. So once we start getting the rain, it's going to stick around. So looking ahead to Wednesday, that rain falling. Thursday, more rain. And on Friday, another round of rain and thunderstorms are possible. So we're talking about thunderstorms again entering the forecast. And it's important to keep in mind when you hear thunder, that means that you are close enough to be struck by lightning. I would advise you to not bother trying to count how many seconds are between seeing the lightning flash and hearing the thunder. Yes, you can use that to find out how far away it is. But does that tell you if you're in danger or not? When thunder roars, go indoors. That's the safest thing to do. It's a good rule of thumb. We have had a few lightning fatalities, unfortunately, throughout the United States this year so far. You might think that they would mostly be confined to the south, but look at this. In our neighboring state of Pennsylvania, there have been 2 this year. So it can really happen anywhere, of course. And I just want you to be cautious when you hear that thunder. Overnight tonight, we're not going to hear that, though. 73 degrees for your low with a few more clouds entering the picture. And it's just going to be a muggy start to the day and then hazy, hot and humid in the afternoon. We'll be at 82 degrees by 10 a.m., 87 at 2, 90 degrees at 4 o'clock. And that's before you factor in that humidity. The heat index is going to make it feel like it's in the mid to upper 90s, not only tomorrow, but again on Tuesday. So maybe you want to hit the beach. It's a great day to do it. We will have that risk for rip currents again. So always swim at guarded beaches and don't get in more than knee deep, especially if you're not a strong swimmer. 80 degrees for your high tomorrow in Jones Beach, 88 in Norwalk, 87 in Long Branch, Point Pleasant Beach, 89 degrees. In the 7-day forecast, 90 degrees for your high temperature in the city.